Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? Sparky Marky here, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing for a certain G-Shock watch. This particular one you're going to be looking at is going to be from the very beginning, and with that, let's take a little look. Of course, looking at the gold version, it's a display in letterings. The G8900-1JF toughness, and it's a straight battery power version. Here in 2012, we got the G-Lide, GWX-8900-1 G-Lide. You can zoom in carefully. All G-Lide, all important movements and everything. And okay, let's see. August 17, 2011. May 16th, 2012. And then we have 2013. So without here is a GLS-8900-1B G-Lide. But it's not even like glazed or anything. And in 2013, we had the collaboration with the skateboarder Lume in 2013 as part of G-Shock's 30th anniversary. When G-Shock went very crazy in 2013 and in 2018, but of course 2008 as well, within the anniversaries. This is the GLS-8900 LV-2JR Louis Vuitton collaboration. Amazing piece, based on the skateboarder Louis Vuitton. And then in 2015, around what month? May 6, 2015, we got this. The GW8900TR-7. TR stands for the tricolors of 3, red, white, and blue. Might as well call it an American version, but it sure as heck looks tricolorish and such. But excuse me. So yeah, very amazing piece to be released at that point. And then let's check on the other versions. All right, 2012 I already said this timepiece, and then this was 2014 GWX-8900D-2 G-Lide, and this is blue, released in April 21st, 2014, 2 days before my 23rd birthday. I'll take a look at it one more time. So here it is. And then we have the GXW-8900B-7DR, also known as the Panda, aka the Stormtrooper. From Star Wars, at least, or just the Panda, however you want to call this one. I mean, however do you want to call this particular one. So yeah, I'm very amazed that these pieces were out during the early days. You could still find them, depends if they're not in used condition or seen better days, or maybe like new is better, as long as it's not worn. So yeah, well, enough chit chat, let's take a look at this timepiece. And which one am I going to be seeing? And this particular one was released on February 6, 2012. So enough chit chat, let's go to the watch. Here it is, and this seen better days, but I bought it at a store in Sunset Place, so it wasn't in Dolphin Mall. So here it is. Or was it at some skateboard shop here in Miami? Who knows? So let's take a look here, shall we? Got your manual. It's got two options, 3278 and 3279 on the module numbers. For which of these are it? Now comes the watch, and here comes the tag. It was at a different price, but it was on sale. Pull the trigger and I got it. And it's this one, y'all, that you're seeing right there. this is it, y'all. Amazing, amazing. GWX-8900B-7. The Panda or the Stormtrooper. Amazing, amazing watch. And design, nonetheless. But all in all, a magnificent timepiece. Black buttons, black and white bezel with the white letterings, and mainly black here. Silver screws, nothing special or unique about it, but it's a G-Lide. Look at that carefully, y'all. G-Lide. And let's see the buckle. Again, Casio Thailand, but this is different. Huh. Can we make that out? I'll just say it anyway. 810GE11 8PUR. So yeah, crazy strap, good, very G-Lite-ish. LED, y'all. Let's see how many LT lighting that I left for on this one. Exactly, 3. Very important. Or your choice, you want to leave it in 1. Let's see what it said here last time. It got a signal about a year ago on September the 12th last year. So yeah, at 1:04 a.m. Wow. You got the Tide. Today at 6 p.m. It's already obviously. UTC. You got your alarms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Snooze, signal. Up to the alarms. Your stopwatch. Your timer. 1 out of 3. And back to your altimeter time. Okay. Okay. That's how it is. And it's solar. So surprise, surprise, y'all. And with that, let's take a little music to put with that. And with that, let's hear the music like now. Alright, with all that out of the way, let's play a little music with Cashing Out by Cash Out. Enjoy. So yeah, y'all, did you enjoy this vid? I know I have. And also, what do you think this should be coined as? This one is known as the Panda or the Stormtrooper. That's all there is to know. So, and anyway, oh, wait a second, there's something off. I didn't set this date right. Hold on. There you go. That's the right date. Sorry, I got a little mixed up. Apparently, this was a bit off with the system, but all in all, everything's alright. And it wasn't technically Thursday. What the heck? But anyways, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Catch you on the next vid. And God bless you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good day, y'all.